for my family is that I also extended it to my work and my team.
Para sa akin is oras, time talaga. Na-overcome ko siya pag once na pag-day off ko or mga 3 times a week, umuwi ako talaga sa amin, nag-spend talaga ako ng oras sa kanila. And every occasion talaga, kung may mga occasion, ga-attend talaga ako, hindi talaga ako nalahat.
By checking on them every day before and after I go to work, just to make sure that they are safe and okay. Paminsan-minsan, sinusurprise ko din sila by sending food, an extra allowance kung mayroon.
Hard work, even though in a tough days, then yung pagli-lead, kindness sa ibang tao, and also parang mafe-feel niya yung other people to be seen and valued whoever they are. Thank you.
Balancing motherhood and a career means showing up with purpose in every role. It is choosing day after day to give your time with care and intention, helping your children to see that as working moms, we strive to provide while still being present, loving, and devoted moms as we wish to be. There may be difficult days at work, but one thing remains constant: a mother's love never fades. You may feel uncertain at times with life decisions, but by continuing to show up and give your best at work, each day truly matters. You are seen, appreciated, and deeply loved. Salute to the calm yet powerful and unspoken strength of every mom, gracefully embracing work, family, and everything in between.
For me, mother figure at work is someone who cares and someone who teaches their children into a better person, not just at work, but also to become a better individual in general.
As a mother of 3 boys, or should I say a referee of 3 boys, I should have a very, very long patience and understanding. Same as extended to my colleague and to our guests and to my work. And I believe, as a gem, motherly love is part of a service that's all heart. Thank you.
Service that's all heart as a mother? Well, it is unconditional love. Giving everything that you've got without asking in return.